bandage? Will I die here before I bandage?
Yeah, you're gonna die.
Oh! Just made it.
Oh!
There's a guy to me right though. Shot me.
I'm gonna be close to this. Definitely with the two people on your right.
I haven't got enough first aid either, so hopefully painkillers will let me get there. Have you got any first aids?
I'm about to use them. Please don't get shot. Please don't get shot.
Are you in the zone yet?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm safe. I am fucked if I can't make it. Red Bulls are serving me alright so far.
Where's the next one? Shit, I'm gonna have to leg it again.
I haven't even got time to heal or anything. I need to just carry on running. Hopefully these Red Bulls. I'm gonna
I'm
get
Red Bulling and painkilling now. The car, but is there any point?
Right, I'm getting in this Jeep here. I'll go in the Jeep only because I have to.
Oh, there's people up on my south. Oh shit, there's loads of people there. Oh, I'm getting killed. One more hit, I'm dead. I'm not. I don't think I'm gonna survive this bit. Might keep an eye out to where you're right or south.
Can you survive?
I'm gonna try.
I'm painkiller. I'm getting up to full health now. What?
Help. I'm down, but I need your help. Quick,
Where
run here. I'm close.
Can you get in there? Keep
Go.
going to you and keep going to you.
Oh,
You're gonna have to first aid straight away.
I am, yeah.
Run to my house there at the end.
Just go. Shit. How long have I got?
A minute.
That's
You
all.
got plenty of time. Just get in there and chill.
This is close, this. 10 left, mate.
Yeah, both of us are alive, man. We can do this. You healed. You popped everything.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's carry on going towards the circle then.
Don't go too far that way, mate.
Just trying to get in the line. Yeah, guy there.
No, pop that. I'm going right down here. I'm going in with the line.
Killed one.
Right, I'm getting in with this line here.
I'm getting into his rock where he was.
It's coming in the circle.
Oh, level 3 vest, level 3 backpack.
Mikey coming in.
Yeah, I'm trying to get in.
Shit, there's people over there by the Jeep, watch out.
Two guys to the left. East, by the houses, by a buggy. Need to kill them. I'm going for them.
That one. There's one dead by the Jeep. There's one more by the Jeep.
I shot at him. It's low.
About is he?
Behind the Jeep. Did you kill that guy up on the hill or?
Yeah, one's dead on. No, I killed one by the Jeep. There's one left by the Jeep though.
Okay, there's two up by that house then.
Still.
Yeah. I'm gonna run in a bit. Yeah, look, they're on the hill, coming up behind us.
Oh, there's one dead. Shit, run. Gotta go for it.
That's two squads with one each. See right, south, 195 behind the smoke. Guys on the left are fighting.
Where's one by the Jeep?
He just ran then, I just started shooting him, he went behind the smoke.
It's 4 left, so there's 2 others.
Killed another one.
There's one other Mike somewhere.
Yeah, there's one more. Us 2 versus 1, Nick.
Yeah, no, yeah.
I see him, he's behind a tree to the east by the car.
Oh, the car.
Yeah. There's 2
Where's the
cars. He's looking at me. Shot him.
No, I can't see him. What car?
Car to the right, there's 2 cars. He's behind
To
that
the
tree there. Yeah, 75 from my screen. Behind the car. Tagged him, he's behind the tree again.
Don't know where the fuck you are.
Just come to me.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, the car on the right, he's on the left tree.
By the rock or...
No. I'm pushing him out. He's tagged to fuck, he's tagged to fuck. Got him.
Nice.
Fucking chicken dinner, Nicholas.
We did well then, didn't we?
Fucking hell.
Oh, that was... We knew that was a good game.